addressed.
Umongameli Ramaphosa uthi abasetyhini kweli ngabona baluve kakhulu umthwalo we-COVID-19 njengoko uninzi lwabo lungaphangeli.
It continues to be women who bear the brunt of this devastating impact that COVID has had. We know more women are unemployed than men. In the second quarter of 2022, 47% of South African women aged between 15 and 64 years were recorded as economically inactive.
Uthi indlala iselutshaba kwabasetyhini abantsundu kweli.
We know that poverty is higher amongst women, and we continue to say the face of poverty in our country is the face of an African woman.
Uthi kuba abasetyhini abaxhotyiswa kwezoqoqosho eli alisayi kuze likwazi ukuphelisa inkqubo yokukhokhela kwabamhlophe kuqoqosho.
We cannot transform the racial patterns of ownership of the economy without changing the gendered ownership patterns and control. That must be seen to go together.
Uthi abasetyhini mabangavumi kwenziwa ikheswa kuqoqosho lwelizwe labo.
A significant part of the work that lies ahead is to elevate the role and status of women within the economy in all sectors and at all levels. Women are refusing and must refuse to be on the periphery of history, particularly the economic activity in our country. That you must refuse to do. You have to be in the center, and that is exactly where you belong. You have to be at the head of the boardroom table.
Umongameli Ramaphosa ubongozele ngqungquthela iphume nenkqubo ezibambekayo neziza kuxhobisa abasetyhini.